Hello. In this video you will see how the Smartling Sitecore connector allows content to be quickly and easily pushed to Smartling for translation and automatically retrieved once the translation process is complete. The Smartling Sitecore connector is an install connector, which means it is integrated directly within Sitecore and allows translation jobs to be created and their progress checked directly within Sitecore. Here we have a page in Sitecore that is ready for translation. Selecting Smartling from the menu bar allows you to start the translation process. A request can be made for a specific piece of content, all sub-items, and even related items. This allows for all relevant content to be requested with a few clicks of a button without the need to request each piece of content individually. The job details are entered and the required language is selected. Clicking Submit sends the content and visual context into Smartling. Smartling analyzes the job content to give you an instant cost estimate to allow you to make informed decisions. Only the new or changed content is placed into the job, which means there is no need to do any additional preparation to the files before sending them for translation. You can select one or more workflows that each impact the estimate instantly on the screen. Once you are satisfied with the estimate, you can authorize the translation and come back when you're notified the translations are complete. If you want to be more involved in the process, you can open the visual context view and see what the translators see. When content is being translated, visual context can be shown to allow the translator to see how the translations will be displayed. Any glossary terms are clearly shown, as well as translation memory matches. Quality assurance checks are shown in real time, allowing the translators to raise issues or address the problem before moving forward. All of these aspects come together to allow the translator to provide a high quality translation on the first attempt. The progress of translation jobs can be seen directly within the Smartling tab, or alternatively can be checked within the translation progress of the connector. Once the translation process is completed, the translations will be automatically pushed back to Sitecore. Smartling can integrate with Sitecore workflows, and the content can be pushed back into the relevant Sitecore workflows step. This shows how you can quickly and easily trigger the translation process without needing to leave Sitecore, complete the translation process within Smartling, and have the translations automatically sent back to Sitecore. Thank you for your time.